Welcome to the mystical rainforest. As the sun dips behind the trees, the fireflies light up the emerald night. The rainforest hums a lullaby. Let's see who's still awake. Hello, Jaguar. He's been proudly patrolling the rainforest today, and now he finds a warm rock to lie down and rest. Can you stretch like the jaguar and say good night? Good night, Jaguar. Hello, Tapir. She's been leisurely grazing by the river all day, and now she feels a little sleepy. She lies down on a soft patch of grass. Can you yawn like the tapir and say good night? Good night, Tapir. Hello, Anteater. He's been using his long tongue to catch ants all day, and now he feels content and tired, so he curls up by a tree root to sleep. Can you curl up like the Anteater and say good night? Good night, Anteater. Hello, Sloth. He's been hanging in the trees all day, slowly watching the rainforest, and now he gently closes his eyes. Can you blink slowly like the sloth and whisper good night? Good night, Sloth. Hello, Gibbon. He's been swinging through the treetops and playing with his friends all day, and now he finds a comfortable branch to rest. Can you swing your arms like the Gibbon and say good night? Good night, Gibbon. Hello, Macaw. She's been brightening the rainforest with her colourful feathers and loud calls all day, and now she feels a little tired, so she snuggles down on a branch to sleep. Can you sway gently like the macaw and say good night? Good night, Macaw. Hello, Chameleon. He's been quietly moving through the leaves, changing colours all day, and now he feels a little sleepy, so he finds a quiet leaf to rest. Can you stay still like the chameleon and say good night? Good night, Chameleon. Hello, Lizard. She's been basking in the sun on the rocks all day, and now she feels warm and cozy, so she curls up in a crevice to sleep. Can you curl up like the lizard and say good night? Good night, Lizard. Hello, Tree Frog. He's been singing by the pond all day, and now he feels a little tired, so he hops onto a lily pad to rest. Can you hop gently like the tree frog and say good night? Good night, Tree Frog. Hello, Cobra. She's been slithering across the rainforest floor all day, and now she feels a little sleepy, so she coils up into a circle to rest. Can you make a circle like the Cobra and say good night? Good night, Cobra. As the rainforest is lulled to sleep by a lullaby and the night sky sparkles, all our rainforest friends settle down for the night. You did wonderfully helping each one to sleep. Now it's your turn to rest your head, close your eyes, and dream about all of your adventures in the rainforest today. Good night, little one. Good night, rainforest.